Alright, so today I am making spaghetti with ground turkey. I have my onions, bell peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, and green scallions. And then I already added some garlic into this with ground beef. So I'm just going to add this all into the pot. Uh-oh, I'm making a little mess, but it's okay. It's a little hot. Hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna have that so that all come together. So this is the ground turkey. Just adding this in. Alright, so I've already added seasoning. I added paprika, black pepper, basil, oregano, some sazon that I'm gonna add. And this is a good seasoning. It gives it good coloring and everything. So I'm just gonna add this to my pot. Okay, and then I'm just gonna allow the ground turkey to cook in with all of the vegetables, the onions, bell peppers, and everything. Alright, so I already had started the ground turkey. Alright, so this is done. Alright, so I just allow it to cook. Okay. And now I am going to add it into my spaghetti. I already added some sauce. I'm just going to add the remaining sauce into it. Alright, so this is, I already got my pasta, and I'm just adding this into it, just working it. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit more spaghetti sauce, get it all sauce up, and just work it all. Come to work. Alright, y'all see it's coming to form now. You gotta use your wrist a little bit so you can work all of this in. Because you want it to be mixed all together, all the flavors mixed in. Alright, and then I'm just gonna add just a little bit of sugar into it to give it a little flavor. You know, spaghetti, it needs that little kick and extra flavor, so we added some sugar, a little bit of sugar into it, about a teaspoon of sugar. And then I am just going to allow this to cook. Okay. So once this starts cooking, just get it all mixed in so it come all together and form all together. And there you have it. You have your spaghetti. Y'all see how it looks? It looks so good, right? There you go. Oh, this I'm gonna put in the plate. Leave it there. Alright, so we're gonna plate this. Yeah, it's coming all together. Alright. Oh, you see it looks so good, right? Back up, back up. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to cut a little bit of green onion scallions onto it just for decoration. Just make it look nice and beautiful. And I'm telling you, this is gonna be so delicious.